Hi, why we need to use the left, right, or mat function in Excel? While we get now the flash fill option. What is flash fill and what can we use it for? Watch this example. This is the product ID and all we need is to extract the middle code like that from here. And all we get to do it now is to do the same action on the same cells on 1422 cell. All we are going to do now, just like this, do it for the first cell only and shortcut Control E. Control E do the same actions for all the rest of the cells. What happened? I take the medal ID and all I do that and I go to the data ribbon, go to the data tools group and flash fill. This is the flash fill and this is the shortcut for the flash fill options, Control E. Treat this and that's it. Okay, suppose that we need the first two letters or the last two letters from this product ID like this, DN, Control E, and that's it. GI, DB, LJ, GI, and that's it. Okay, the first QU letters from the first cell and then Control E. VE, CA, DE, and that's it. Let's take another example. Suppose that we get columns like that and we need the first name from the employee name. All I'm going to do is to insert a new column, take the first one and Control E. And this is what's happening for all the text all over the cells, all over there. Okay, let's use it for a date example. Okay. Instead of using the date function or the date function equal day, extract the day from this date and double click here to extract the pools. No, we don't need to do all of this. And or I'm going to do 29, enter, Control E. That's it. So it's so simple and so easy. Data ribbon, data tools group, flash fill. Enjoy and hope you watch me and follow my channels and my Facebook page, Heba Said Data Analysis. Thank you.